We're from StartUP Sprint and we're here at Plumpton College today to run a bespoke talent accelerator workshop for their T-level students in some of the curriculum areas here, to enable us to support the students with their employability skills.
So I'm a governor here at Plumpton, and as well as all the amazing things that the young people are learning in terms of their skills, there's a really, really important thing, which is having that confidence and that courage to go out into the workplace. That's what we're seeing here today. Some of the ideas and the energy and everything coming from the teams is absolutely brilliant.
So in this event, we've met a real cross-section of Plumpton students that are pitching their business ideas to us. There are some who are really passionate and enthusiastic and are selling the idea. There are others who are more thoughtful and listening to the comments and questions that I've been asking and are reflecting on that. Some take advice and you can see them writing it down, and it's evolving that business idea to something that is going to be even better by the end of the day, and it's a great privilege to be part of that process.
The students identify problems that they have in their everyday life, and then they come up with ideas and solutions to solve those problems. This ties into Plumpton College's values around progression, supportive, and also about them trying to be creative and work collaboratively. So it's really good. Some of the ideas today have been amazing.
My take on today is that it's been very rewarding for the students, because actually they are learning about aspects of professionalism, about resilience, about how to kind of motivate themselves and essentially equip themselves for the world of work in its widest possible sense.
The students are becoming really engaged, some great business ideas. And there's a good bunch of people here with all different ideas, and it's going really well.
Students are really engaged, their ideas are really well thought through. It's been really interesting to speak to them and picking up on the excitement they've got for the projects and the ideas, and the open-mindedness to moving the ideas in different directions has been really interesting as well. Really good day, really enjoyed it.
So the great thing about today is they get to work with local employers as well. So there's a fantastic opportunity for them to find out what employers are looking for, and also for employers to impress upon young people what they're looking for their future employees.
There is huge energy in the room. They are enthusiastic, ambitious. They've got a real sense of the problems they're trying to solve, and real bright ideas and creative ideas around how they would go about doing that. So some real world challenges they're trying to overcome, a real focus on sustainability, and actually some really sensible business ideas that you could deliver in the real world today.
I've been really impressed by the quality of the presentations today, the positivity of the students. They're all working together and putting across their business cases in a really intellectual and informative way, and I find it really interesting. There's been a mixture of ideas of varying degrees of detail. The main thing is each student's got involved with their group. They all seem very passionate about their ideas and keen to impress and showcase their ideas.